Welcome to Ashford International.
Okay, now leaving platform 2 is delayed 12:19. South Eastern surface from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory. Leading 375715. 375921. And to the right of me, the 1225 Southern Surface to Eastbourne 171201. One 171201 to Eastbourne. Okay, the 1240 Belmont British Pullman service from London Victoria to Gillingham. 67024. And on the right hand side, 395021 on the 1240 Margate St Pancras. $67,024 to Gillingham. It's just started raining. It's in love. Now leaving is delayed. 12:32. South Eastern surface from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross. 375613. Delayed due to points and signal problems between London Bridge and Charing Cross. 375613 to Charing Cross via Tunbridge. $12.46 high speed to Ramsgate via Deal. 395011. 395011 Catherine Granger to Ramsgate via Deal. Okay, the 1250 South Eastern surface from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. 375813. To 375712. The 1255 South Eastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. 377515. Three 77515 to Victoria 5 Maidstone. Okay, now leaving is the 1300 South Eastern surface London Charing Cross. 375805. I know they haven't got the last delays on.
If you have a pram, pushchair or wheelchair on the platform today, please make sure you apply your brakes whilst waiting for your train.
(375-805) to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge. Now we're leaving platform 1C is the 1325. Southern service to Eastbourne via Ryan Hastings. What was 171726 and the centre car of 801, now 171812. 171812 to Eastbourne. The 1332 South Eastern service from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross. 375921. Three seven five 715. That's correct, love. Yeah, that's also correct. It says Pendley. Three 75715 to Charing Cross via Tunbridge. Now approaching is the early 1355 GB rail freight service from Wembley to Donsmore. (92032) and 92044. 92032 and 92044 to Donsmore. And 395008. Now leaving platform 2 is the 1345 South Eastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone. Three 775 and 510. And 514 to Ashford via to Victoria via Maidstone.
1400 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. Calling at Buckley,
4023. 4020. Oh, forget about them.
This train has 8 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
This train got delayed at Canterbury because of loss of power there, apparently. 375623 Hospice in the Weald. Three 75920. .co.uk at issy_railway. Now leaving platform 2 is the 1419 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory, 375905. Three 575905 to Dover Priory. Okay, the 1424 service from Donaldsmore to Wembley. Six 002 and 92050. Wembley. Okay, now leaving is the 1425 Southern Service to Eastbourne, 171809. One 171809 to Eastbourne via Ryan Hastings. That's one's made up of 723 and 802. The up main line for the 1451 GBRF service from Donaldsmore to Wembley. On the right, on the left hand side, 375616 off to Ramsgate via Canterbury. Night 2032. Night 2032 to Wembley. Okay, the 16 to 29 Southeastern service to London Victoria, 5 Maidstone East, 377 507 and 517. And another Eurostar. Another one. Three 777 507 and 517 to London Victoria, 5 Maidstone East. Okay, now leaving is the 1630 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. Leading is 375825. In the middle 902. These photos may come out as crap. May have grease on my lens. 375825, 902 and 814 to London Charing Cross. Okay, ECS movement from Ashford down the sidings to St Pancras. 395013 Hornby. 395013 Hornby Margate Visitor Centre. 395 002 Sebastian Coe. Three 13 and 6. 377 returning. Only it's found a mate. Three 504. Now approaching is the 1641. BB Cargo UK service from Toton North Yard to Donald's Moor. Shiny Toyotas for foreign areas. Six 075 to Donald's Moor. 1702 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. This train has 12 coaches. Leading is 375616. Or it will be for the fake coaches. 375616 to London Charing Cross. Okay, now leaving is the slightly delayed 1655 Southeastern service to London Victoria, 5 Maidstone East. 377504 and 515. Some of these are state coaches. Three 77515 and 504 to Victoria, 5 Maidstone. The 1700 Southeastern service from London Victoria. This train will terminate here. 465193. With 466 or is it 003? This will form the 1727 to Victoria. Okay, now approaching on the flyover is the 1715 DB Cargo UK service from Donald's Moor sidings to Ripple Lane. So that Margate doesn't bowl me.
Stratford International and St Pancras International. This train has 12 coaches.
92011.
Many seats available. This train.
Okay, now approaching it's a train I didn't want to see. 1718 Margate. 395016. The next bit might be filmed on a train.
This train will arrive here. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of the train. Please travel from 6 coaches of the train called Canterbury West, Ramsgate, Crosby, Stanton Margate.
I haven't got the time or the energy to run all the way round to Beaver Road Bridge. Okay, now leaving platform 5 is the 1718 South Eastern service from Ramsgate and Ashford to St Pancras International. 395019 just to get an ins. Now 395 behind me, that's blocking the view of the 92. But I will add the arrival of the 92 to my video. 395027 and a Cockcroft. 395027 Hannah Cockcroft to St Pancras International via Ebbsfleet and Stratford. Now we're going to see a very terrible video of a 92 leaving. Okay, now leaving platform 5B is the delayed 1723 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate via Deal. I'm not catching this train as it doesn't meet with a bus. The next one does. And with a good connection time. 375907. Right, that 395009 opened its doors after the 92 left. Because if it opened before, I was going to film the 92 from that. 375907 to Ramsgate. Now we'll wait for its other half to leave. Now that they've been splitted apart, they can now go their separate ways. Okay, now leaving from 5A is the 1727 South Eastern service to Canterbury West. He's 3 minutes late. Or if you want to be like RTT, 3.5 minutes late. Three 75819. Three 95819 to Canterbury West. Still did not get to say that. Right, now we wait for the arrival of 1740 and my train. Right, now approaching is the 1740 South Eastern service from Margate to London St Pancras International. This train will join on to that one to go to St Pancras. When it gets in, after this, my train. Let's say my train goes better than the last time I rode it. Got stuck at Martin Mill for about 10 minutes because the signals were buggered. Oh, hello. You sure you're allowed to do that? It'll make a better photo if there wasn't a pylon in the way.
1740 South Eastern service to St Pancras International, Ebbsfleet International, Stratford International, and
Oh, we got 395. Double 008. I think we had it earlier as well. So that's missing.